first law of zeroth law of thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. बेटा व्हाट डज इट स्टेट, ये क्या स्टेट करता है? जीरोथ लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स बेटा, दैट इज माय प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ जीरोथ लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज दिस इज बॉडी ए, दिस इज बॉडी बी एंड दिस इज बॉडी सी. सपोज A in thermal equilibrium with B, A in thermal equilibrium with C, then B and C will also be in thermal equilibrium. If there is a body A, it is in thermal equilibrium with body B, it is also in thermal equilibrium with body C, then remember that B and C will also be in thermal equilibrium. If a body is in thermal equilibrium with two other bodies separately, अगर कोई एक बॉडी अलग अलग दो बॉडीज से थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम में है, then those two bodies will also be in thermal equilibrium. Write down. Two systems in thermal equilibrium. Two systems in thermal equilibrium with a third system separately, with a third system separately, then they are in thermal equilibrium with each other also. They are in thermal equilibrium with each other also. Suppose A and B, suppose A and B, suppose A is in thermal equilibrium with B, suppose body A is in thermal equilibrium with B, also body A is in thermal equilibrium with body C, body A is also in thermal equilibrium with body C, then body B and C will also be in thermal equilibrium. Body B and C will also be in thermal equilibrium. Next heading, concept of heat. Concept of heat and mechanical equivalent. Mechanical equivalent of heat. Mechanical equivalent of heat. Dear students, basically mechanical work and heat are equivalent to each other. Suppose we are feeling cold and we rub our hands in this way, then they become warm. So what we are going to do? Mechanical work. That mechanical work has been converted into what? Heat energy. So we can say mechanical work and heat are equivalent to each other. One important thing is that once you have warmed your hands, एक बार आपने बेटा अपने हाथ गर्म कर लिए, then there is no system which can distinguish whether you have warmed your hands by rubbing or by heating on the flame. मैं क्या कह रहा हूं आपसे कि अगर बेटा एक बार हमने अपने हाथ गर्म कर लिए तो आपको यह नहीं पता लग सकता कि आपने हाथ रब करके गर्म करे हैं या किसी फ्लेम पर रख के गर्म किए हैं. आपके पास आइस क्यूब्स है, you supply heat to the ice cubes, ice cube will melt and convert into water. You can also rub two ice cubes in this way, also then the ice cube will convert into water. Once the ice has been converted into water, no one can tell whether it has been converted ice into water by supplying heat or by doing mechanical work. So we can say mechanical work and heat energy are equivalent to each other. Scientist Joule first of all studied it experimentally. And he told that heat produced is directly proportional to mechanical work. यानी जितना ज़्यादा मैकेनिकल वर्क करोगे बेटा उतनी ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी. आप अपने हाथ को बेटा जितनी देर तक रब करते रहोगे वो उतने गर्म होते चले जाएंगे. यानी जितना मैकेनिकल वर्क कर रहे हो उतनी ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी. मैकेनिकल वर्क इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड. एम आई राइट? Mechanical work is directly proportional to whatever heat produced. Mechanical work W, heat produced is H, or W is equal to what? JH. J is proportionality constant and it is called mechanical equivalent of heat. It is equal to 4.2 जूल पर कैलोरी. इसकी जो वैल्यू होती है बच्चों वो होती है 4.2 जूल पर कैलोरी. और सिंपली वी कैन से इट इज अ कन्वर्जन फैक्टर विच इज यूज्ड टू कन्वर्ट जूल इनटू कैलोरी. तो दिस कांस्टेंट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड व्हाट? Mechanical equivalent of work or conversion factor, because it converts heat energy into work or work into heat energy. Write down. Experiments show that mechanical work and heat produced are equivalent to each other. Equivalent to each other on the basis of Joule proves that heat produced is directly proportional to mechanical work. Heat produced is directly proportional to mechanical work. If W is the work done, and heat produced in H, students, W is the work done, heat produced in H, so W is proportional to H, or W is equal to what? JH. So J is mechanical equivalent of heat or conversion factor. Copy it.